Hello, amazing people. I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. Working from home has become the new normal and it's a must to ensure healthy work life balance. Here are a few tips which can help you. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment and consider subscribing it. Press the bell icon to never miss an update every time I upload a video. So with that being said, let's quickly dive right into the video. Let's get started. Number 1. Have a dedicated workspace. Although you're working from home, still you must own a dedicated workspace. Start with setting up your desk. It helps you establish some physical boundaries. Most people tend to ignore on this one, especially if you're new to working remotely. You simply need a dedicated space. If you're working from home with your partner or kids or a roommate, make your needs known. Try to make it more comfortable for you. And most importantly, free from distractions so that you can properly focus on your work. Here's a small tip for you. You can pick a spot for your desk where you have plenty of natural light. Number 2. Set up a morning routine. If I talk about me, personally, morning sets the tone for the whole day. It prepares you for the upcoming day. No rush. Give yourself a few days to establish a routine. It helps you fit in the best mindset. Your morning routine can involve going to a gym, reading the news, or maybe cooking. What is your morning routine? Share in the comment box below. Although I would advise you to exercise and do your workout in home, keeping the current COVID situation in mind. Here's a little tip for you. Start your day with a glass of water. Set timely reminders if you forget to drink plenty of water. Stay hydrated. Number 3. Stay connected. Do not miss out on human interaction. With time, working from home can become isolating. So it's important to stay connected. Stay connected with your team using virtual communication tools like MS Teams, Google Meets, or Slack. Have a one-to-one conversation on a regular basis with peers. What do you use to stay connected? At the end of the day, check up on your friends and family. 4. Schedule breaks and move yourself. Working from home can be a tiring desk job. You need to take care of your mental health. Most people tend to ignore it. You cannot just grab a laptop and keep working all day long. It will affect your health drastically. Schedule your breaks. Take small 5 minutes break every hour. Drink water frequently, stretch your muscles, prepare tea or coffee, whatever suits you best, or any healthy drink, and take a small walk for a few minutes maybe. When you receive a non-work call, again, do a little walk and talk. How do you utilize and plan your breaks? 5. Do you have reliable technology? So when you're working from home, it becomes important to make sure that one has a reliable internet connection. If you have unlimited mobile data, you can connect to your phone's hotspot, but prefer a stable broadband connection. Here's a small tip for you. Always have a backup plan. Number 6. Set up work-life boundaries. If you're working remotely, it becomes important to set few boundaries so that your work does not get affected. Having a dedicated workspace is a first. Do you check for your cell phone's notification regularly? No. You gotta stop doing it. It is killing your time and most importantly your productivity. Notifications are a real-time productivity killer. Trust me on this one. So maybe you can set up some virtual boundaries to maintain a good work-life balance. What do you do to achieve a good work-life balance? Here are some bonus tips for you. Always maintain a good posture. Use Ethernet connection for video calls from the computer. Organize your daily tasks. Do not eat at your desk. Please do not eat at your desk. Set up a routine. Routine can be your best ally. With that, it's a wrap. I hope you found the video helpful. Share what you do to ensure a healthy work life balance. And if you would like to add anything, feel free to add in the comments section below. I hope you found the video helpful. Please like and share it with your friends whom you care about the most. Join my Telegram channel and Discord server to connect with peers and fellow developers to help improve your coding skills. Connect with me on other social platforms such as Twitter, LinkedIn, and GitHub. The link is available in the description box below. If you're looking for some cool projects in Python, please check out my Python projects playlist. I'll link it in the description box below, or you can get it by clicking at the I button. If you have any suggestion or request for my top 5 video series, you can mention in the comment box. I will be back with more such videos, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.